everyone, my name is Otávio and today I'm going to show you how to do an airplane made by paper. So the first thing you want to do is to divide the paper in half. Then you fold the tips of the paper. Then you bring up to the almost of the other half. Then you fold the tips of the paper again. Then you fold the remaining tip of the paper. By last, you will divide in half, and after that you will form the wings. And there it is, a beautiful airplane. Wow!